Hey you guys, making gravy. So I use just a little bit of my Happy Cow butter in there. And I'm not making gravy from scratch. So what I'm doing, and I've already seared my tips. I'm going to let these smother down with that gravy. So back in the day, you use flour, you use butter, you turn it in there with a little bit of water. You let it get a little soupy. Onions, don't forget to chop your onions in it. This is just chicken gravy. I don't normally. Oh, I should have got I like to use turkey gravy, but we're gonna see what this tastes like. Mixing these. Now this is a turkey, but we're just gonna see what it tastes like. As long as it's gravy, and you just let it cook down. I don't need too much gravy because I don't have the cream potatoes. I got like a pasta. Now these would be nice on top of a pasta also. So let's let it turn it back up. Put that there, and I'm going to use just a tad bit more of this gravy. I think that's all I'm going to use. And we're going to let this cook down. I'm going to turn it up because everything is cooked. All right. When it comes to a boil, pretty much. Look at that. This would make a great stew also. These tips, yeah, I could have went in like a vegetable mix also. So we're gonna let these cook down because I want my tips to be, I don't want my tips to be hard, tough. I need them to gently be moist and where you could just pull them apart. So I'm gonna let them cook down a little bit. Then I will come back. Thank you.